Okay, let's see how this code works. Very simple, a very simple script here that takes that makes some random test, and you can use this function randomize to make different exercises with random data, or you can give the data that you want. So let me show what you can do if you do x1, for example, with nothing in it. And you run this, you will see that it will show you just one quiz here. Okay, you can also make sol equal 1. And so you can see this is the example. And so this is the break-even point. And so you have to calculate how many products you have to sell to make the cost equal to the revenues, so that you recover all the costs that you have in which you have invested. So and the formula is you got to divide the fixed costs for the difference among the price and the variable cost. Okay, so the solution is this. This is the example. Now let's see if I want to do a custom exercise. I'm going to define here the price, the variable cost, and the fixed cost. So, and you want to see the solution here when you put this one to 1. So you run this, and so you get here the price 12 and 8.5 euros, and so on. And so this is the solution. Now you can also make randomized. You can randomize the exercise, so you don't have to put any value. There will be random values, and there it is. And you can have more than one. So we have 3 different exercises in which you can have them ready to be, you can give them to someone. You can see the solution, and let's see if it's right. For example, here the second one, let's see if this is the solution. So divide by the difference among 20 and 13, so it's 7. Okay, and this is without, it's an integer, so it's rounded. Okay, so that's the solution. And how this works is that it takes this template here. So eventually you can change the data, the way it appears here, changing this. And it has the solution, and then it will check for the values in here. And yes, I used the pattern here to find all the pattern inside of this. As this function gets its value from as arguments, you don't actually need to make this. You could take the P, CV, and CF directly from here. Okay, this is, I could not use this, and I could also avoid transforming this in because okay, for example, if I could make it I could I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Needed this. Needed this. This, yes. Okay, so I don't really need to check into, so I could just make it like this, more simple. So another thing that I can do is to transform it in a quiz. So if I go and put 1 here, you see that it asks me to write a solution. So 2000. Good job. Now we ask you again to make it. This is simple. And this is also simple. And okay. So I can make also little space here. If I go wrong, see, now it's wrong, and it gives you the solution. So that is everything. This is very simple program, and that's it. That's everything. Thank you.